In this video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how to start your own faceless YouTube channel without using your voice and without showing your face, okay? I will make this video super easy for you because I already have a faceless YouTube channel that is making me money, as you can see over here, and in just one single day it made $768 just in one single day. Maybe this will motivate you to start your own faceless YouTube channel, because I will share with you the method that I'm using to find trending and interesting topics and how you can start step by step. So let's get into it. Okay, so what you need to do first is you need to choose specific and trending topics that people will be interested to watch. Okay, so how you can find trending topics? What you need to do is you just need to go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so just go to your YouTube homepage over here and click over here on the search and ask question. So for example, if you choose finance niche, you need to ask how to, let's say you want to start in finance niche, ask how to invest. So for example, how to invest, and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, as you can see over here, people are searching for how to invest in stocks for beginners, how to invest in Netflix and earn money, how to invest in crypto, how to invest money, how to invest in real estate. You will find a lot of topics that you can make videos about because people are searching for those topics. And if you make YouTube videos about one of those topics, you can get views, get subscribers, and you can grow your YouTube channel fast using this method because you are already making videos that people are searching for. Okay, so what you will do is you need to choose one of those topics. So let's say, for example, okay, I'm gonna choose, for example, how to invest money. Okay, let's say this topic, how to invest money. What you need to do is you need to make a YouTube script about this topic, how to invest money. You will go to ChatGPT. If you don't have an account on ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. You can use just the free version. I'm using just the free version. So ask him here, make an engaging YouTube script about how to invest money for beginners, for example. Okay, because people who are searching for those topics are beginners. Okay, so let's click over here, and here you go. ChatGPT will start creating your YouTube script. We'll give you the title, we'll give you introduction and step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, and so on. What you need to do next is you need to record this YouTube script, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it in just a few minutes. Here you go. This is your script, is ready. This is your title, Beginner's Guide to Smart Money Investment, introduction, step number 1. So let's copy this step number 1. I'm gonna copy just this part to show you guys how we can turn this script into voiceover. So you have two choices. You can use your own voiceover if you want. If you don't want to use your own voiceover, you can go to Google and search for PlayHT. Click on this first link over here. This is an AI voiceover generator website that you can use for free. So you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so click over here on voice change and choose which voiceover you want to use for your YouTube videos. They have different voiceovers. They have American voiceover, British voiceover, Australian voiceover, Canadian voiceover. Choose which one you like. So let's check one of those voiceovers to show you. Let's see this one, for example.
No-nonsense investigator Tyler Elliott, a far cry from the roles for which he is best known.
As you can see, they are really in good quality. Let's check the second one.
Dude, I remember, yeah, it's crazy when you look at a 10-year-old, it looks like they're doing nothing, kind of like they're dumb and their neck's getting longer. But then, like, you hear a story like that and you're like, yeah.
For me, I like to use this one, for example. Click on the voiceover that you like to use for your YouTube videos and click over here on confirm. And what you need to do next is you need to put your YouTube script here. Okay, this is step number 1, so it's too short, so I'm gonna copy step number 2. Okay, so let's copy step number 2 to show you like this. Let's go to this website. For you need to record all your YouTube script. This is step number 2. Let's copy this to not make it too much long. Click over here on generate speech, and you just need to wait a few seconds and your YouTube script will be recorded. So what you need to do next is you need to turn this voiceover into an engaging and professional YouTube video, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. Okay, it's easy and simple. Let's check.
First things first, why do you want to invest? Are you saving for a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or perhaps your retirement? Defining your financial goals will guide your investment strategy.
Here you go. What you will do, click over here on this icon, and your voiceover will be download to your laptop. So what you need to do now to turn this voiceover into an engaging and professional YouTube video, you need to go to Canva. Okay, go to Google, search for Canva. We will use just Canva, easy and simple for beginners. Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Click over here on video, then you will be directly in this page over here. Click over here on upload and click on upload file. You need to upload your voiceover. Okay, so I'm gonna upload my voiceover over here. Okay, let me see. This is my voiceover over here. I will click on open like this, and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop, and it should be over here on audio. Okay, so let me upload mine. Didn't upload. Okay, let's see. Open like this, then click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be over here. Click on add page. Okay, you can see over here add page. Click on add page and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover like this. Go to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition, choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make them more engaging and professional. Also, you can use different transition for each part. Okay, so for me, for example, I'm gonna just use this one. Click on the transition that you want to use, make it to just 0.3. Click on apply between all page, and your transition will be applied between all your page. What you need to do next is you need to click over here on elements, and you need to click on the search for investment. It's the same, search for invest. Click over here on videos. Okay, because we need videos. Okay, so I'm going to use, for example, this one. You will find a lot of videos here about investment, so let's use this one for example. Click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points, set the video as background like this, and click over here. Click in the end of the video, keep clicking, swipe left to make the video short, or you can swipe right. You can control it from here. Keep clicking and swipe left like this. Okay, make it like this, short. Click on the next page, add different videos. Okay, to make your videos more engaging and professional, set video as background. I will make it short. Click on the next page, scroll down. I will add this one over here, set the video as background, make it short like this. It's easy and simple. Click on the next page. Let me see. I will add this one over here and add different videos about investment. Okay, videos that are related to investment. Okay, click on the next page. I'm gonna add this one over here. Make it like this, scroll down. I will add this one over here like this. Alright, so now let's check the video, guys. Let me know your opinion in the comments. So let's check.
First things first, why do you want to invest? Are you saving for a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or perhaps your retirement? Defining your financial goals will guide your investment strategy and help you stay focused. There are various investment options out there: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and more. Each comes with its own set of risks.
And here you go, we just made Faceless YouTube video about how to invest for beginners just by using Canva and free AI voiceover. So after you finish, if you give it time, you can make an engaging and professional YouTube videos. You just need to give it time. You will find videos that will be matched with your voiceover. Just give it time. I don't want to make this video too much long for you guys. I just show you the method, use it, and start making videos. Click over here on share, click on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. Then you can go and start uploading Faceless YouTube videos to your YouTube channel. If you want to succeed on YouTube, of course you will not succeed from the first video or your 2 or 5 even videos or 10 videos. You need to keep making videos consistency if you want to succeed and start making a lot of money on YouTube. This niche has a high RPM and CPM, and you can make a lot of money just with few views with this niche. This niche about finance is really a profitable niche on YouTube. Okay, so that's how you can find the niche, how you can find trending interesting topics. That's it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys to start your own YouTube channel. See you in my next video.